Here's an LG V30 Android phone. Let's see how to use it with one hand. So to use it with one hand, with one finger, we have to reduce the size of the screen to, let's say, that size. Okay, to use it, let's swipe down, go to the settings wheel, settings, go to display, go to the bottom of the list and enable mini view. So mini view is enabled. Here at 3 dots it says to shrink the screen for use with one hand, swipe left or right across the back, home and overview buttons. Okay, so let's close this one. Mini view mode was enabled, and just swipe from the left to the right, let's see, and voila, we have a mini view screen. You can use just as a normal phone, but only in this smaller area, and you can resize it from the corner if you want, make it smaller or larger. From the top you can even position it to the other side or up or down wherever you need it. Okay, and to exit from this mode, just tap on that X and it closes and it goes back. So if we swipe from the left to the right, it goes to the left side, you can move it down. If we swipe from the left to the right, it goes to the right side, and you can use it with one hand. You can swipe down, enable, let's say, Wi-Fi or whatever you want, location, disable them, swipe back, left, right, and so on. And X closes mini view. So that's the mini view on this LG V30 Android phone.